Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're talking about toy hauler versus bunkhouse. A lot of people that have kids buy bunkhouses, right? So every kid has their own bed. They don't have to touch each other and fight. They're not sharing a bed or a space. On a rainy day, their bunk bed can be their space where they can play games or watch videos or do whatever they want to do. Toy haulers, though, are becoming just as popular for this reason. They have at least two beds in the back. A lot of times they have one or two couches in the back to make into beds. So every child can still have their own space, in a lot of cases have a little extra space. Plus, they've got that big wide open garage area that's really hard for anything to get damaged or hurt while they're camping and playing around. If you're not sure which one's better for you, give us a call, ask for one of our RV consultants. They can help you figure it out based on your tow vehicle, your family, and your camping needs. You can reach us at 877-877-4494. Go on our webpage, rvwholesalers.com, and check out both there as well. And please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page so you can see more videos like this one.